Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'll guide you to step-by-step process how to log in to Nebraska Lawyer. First step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the search engine and type in Nebraska Lawyer. Now click on the link which says www.anybar.com. Now this is the official page of Nebraska Lawyer. On the top you can see two options, contact us and sign in. To log in, click on the sign in option. Now you need your username and your password to sign in. So type in your username. Now type in your password. Now you can click on remember me to save the information on your browser. If you have forgot your password, click on this link to recover your password. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click here to register to create a new account. Now click on sign in and this is it. These are the simple steps that you can follow to log in to Nebraska Lawyer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.